Okay, I have my jacket, my hot water, and my bleach. Now, the rule of thumb is you want to do 2 cups of hot water per 1 cup of bleach. And that ratio varies, and that's all contingent on how much color you want to hold on to or not hold on to in the fabric. So I have my cups of hot water already poured in there. So now I'm just going to add my bleach. Do, 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 do. And remember, the goal was to do the bottom half of the jacket. So everything kind of right here below the Mojin sign. And so I want to fold it a little bit before I put it in there. Okay, here we go. Time to submerge the jacket in the bleach. Might need to get a little bit more hot water, but so far so good. You want to set it in here for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, or even a little longer. The longer it sits in here, the more of that color it'll eat away, and the more white it'll be, or light blue, depending on, your level of distortion you want to go with. I'm gonna leave this one in for a while because I actually think I may have put too much water in here. So I'm gonna leave it in here for a while. And then when I finish, I'm gonna throw it in the washing machine ASAP. But be sure to put it in the washing machine with nothing else. You don't want grandma's good nightgowns getting bleach all over them. Throw the jacket in there by itself and keep it in there. It should be all set, but yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for a while because I think my ratio to water to bleach was a little off. But that's okay though, that's okay. I'll just let it sit. It's been about 30 minutes or so, and I actually came back out here, added a little more bleach, sunk it in a little bit more using this stick. I kind of kept soaking it in, and I think, like I said, it's been 30 minutes, and I think we're ready. So let's see what we got. I kind of like how the blue and thread, if you can see it, kind of matches the blue in here. So now it's time to rinse it and put it in the washing machine. Oh, the Maurice Malone jacket experiment DIY is done, and actually I'm happy with it because some cool shit happened that I didn't think was gonna happen. Again, check out the back of it. Check out the sides, and what you have, you can see, is that you actually have 3 layers of blue. And basically this happened unintentionally because when I first merged it in the bleach, I didn't have it all the way in there, which I didn't want it all the way in there, but I didn't have like all the way up to here in there. It was kind of up to here. I left it in there for like a long time, so this part got faded for like, I don't know, maybe an hour, hour and a half. And then I pushed it in more from up here, and so the rest of it got faded. But that was only in there for like maybe 30, 40 minutes. So in that time period, you have 2 different blues, and I was going to add something to it, like maybe some dye or some other color, but this is cool because I got 3 different blues, some cool blotches. Like, I'm really feeling how this came out. And also, this will be the